Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Russian Easy, and this is lesson number 4, the Russian A1 course. And so far we learned 19 letters of the Russian alphabet, and today we will add 7 more. It will be P, P, F, F, Ž, 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 Č, Č, Ш, Ш, Щ, Щ, Ш, and E, E, E. So some of them will be brand new sound, very different from English. So let's start. The first letter of today will be P. P sounds like P in a pen. P. P, 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 sounds like P in a pen, pen. And the example of Russian word is papa, papa, pa, pa, papa, which means father, dad, papa. Next one will be f, 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 sounds like f in fun, fun, f. And Russian example is film, 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 f, film, which mean film. And next one is j, 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 special sound like s, but in measure of French j, 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 like j, j, like jam, 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 j, 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 jam, j, j. And example of Russian word is zhuk, 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 which mean beetle, zhuk. Next one is ch, ch. It sounds like ch in a chocolate, ch, ch, in chocolate, chocolate. And Russian example of this word will be chai, 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 ch, ch, chai, which mean tea. And sh, sh. Next one is sh, sh, sh sounds like sh in a shop, 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 sh, shop. And Russian example will be shapka, 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 sh, shapka, which means hat, hat. Next one is look the same but sounds different, is sh, 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 sh. Previous one sh, and next one is sh, sh, sh. Sounds like a long soft sh, sh, in like sh, 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 sh. Long soft sh, sh. And for example, word she, 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 and it's traditional cabbage soup, she, she. And next one, the last one will be e, 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 and sounds like e in red, 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 red. And Russian example is eto, eto, which means this. So let's say again and repeat. P, pen, papa. F, fun, film, f. J, like j'aime, j. Жук, ch, chocolate, chai, ch. Sh, shop, шапка, sh, шапка. Pardon. Шапка. She. Like in red. Eto. Today we learn 7 new letters. Is P, F, J, Ch, Sh, and E. So some of them, like J and Sh, are unique to Russians, and so don't worry if they feel strange at the first. It's okay, it's normal. So great work today, and in lesson number 5 we will finish the alphabet with the last special letters like U, U, Ya, the soft symbol and the heart symbol. So don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel and follow the playlist, and write in a comment which sound from today's lesson was the hardest for you. And спасибо, see you in lesson number 5. Bye bye, пока-пока.